Good morning. The next concept is structure of human kidney. We know that the kidneys are in bean-shaped organs. Usually, the kidneys are located in abdominal cavity, which is attached to the dorsal body wall, one on either side of backbone. The right kidney is placed slightly lower than the left one due to the presence of liver above it. And each kidney it is have a small cap-like structures on its top that is called adrenal glands. The adrenal glands are act as a endocrine glands in animals. If you observe the internal structure of a kidney, so here we will found several pyramid-like structures which are called as renal pyramids. So why these are called as renal pyramids? Because the shape of these pyramids it looks like a cone. Hence these are called renal pyramids. Another name for these renal pyramids is Malphizian pyramids. Normally in the kidney there are 7 to 18 pyramids exits in the innermost parts of the kidney, which is called as renal medulla. In renal medulla, usually 7 to 8 renal pyramids are present in human beings. The inner side of each kidney have a small notch-like structure called hilus. Hilus, it is the space for entry of renal artery which brings oxygenated blood with high impurities to kidneys, and also it is a space for exit of renal vein and an ureter. We know that the renal vein it carries the deoxygenated blood with less impurities to heart for further actions. And then next, the filter portion of urine it should be removed from the kidneys and it is opens into a pelvis. From pelvis, this filtrate now reaches to the urinary bladder through ureters. If you observe a kidney structure, so easily there are two portions will appears in a kidney. In the internal structure, it have two regions. The first one is the outer dark colored zone called cortex and the inner medullary region. Usually, the medullary region which appears pale in color. The microscopic units which are considered as the functional units of kidneys, those are nothing but nephrons. So usually 1.3 to 1.8 millions of the nephrons are present in each kidney. The next one, the main function of kidney is it maintains the osmoregulation in animals. Osmoregulation means the process which controls water balance and ion concentration in body is called osmoregulation. So this is the prime function of kidneys. One end it filters the blood and separates all the nitrogenous waste materials, and the other end the kidneys performs osmoregulation. So this is about the structure of kidney. Thank you. So please subscribe Biology channel for further more videos and interactive sessions. Thank you.